Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to show you how to get Mac-like dock in Windows. First open your browser and go to the link given in the description. And download Rocket Dock. Now install this software. Now you'll see a Mac-like dock. The dock is completely customizable. The link to this software is given in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.